Chase Ultimate Reward Points are some of the most versatile and valuable credit card rewards available, but most people don't know how to get the best value from them. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to redeem your Chase points for maximum value, whether you're looking for cash back, free flights, or free luxury hotel stays. By the end, you'll have the tools to make every Chase point count. First, let's talk about converting your Chase points into cash. There are two simple ways to do this. The most straightforward option is redeeming them for a statement credit or direct deposit. To do this, log into the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. On the home screen, navigate to the top and click Convert to Cash. Then select Cash Back. From there, choose the number of points you'd like to redeem. Each Chase point is worth 1 cent or $1 for every 100 points. For example, if you redeem 10,000 Chase points, that's $100. Once you've selected the amount, decide whether you want the money as a statement credit or deposited directly into your bank account of choice. If you have multiple Chase cards, there's a great way to maximize all of your points by combining them into one credit card. To do this, start on the Chase Ultimate Rewards home screen again, navigate to Rewards and Details, and then select Combine Points. From there, choose the card you want to transfer points to and the card you want to transfer them from. This allows you to consolidate your rewards and all of your Chase points to ensure you're making the most out of every single point. The second way to redeem Chase points as cash is through the Pay Yourself Back program. On the same Chase Ultimate Rewards portal home screen, navigate to the top, click Convert to Cash, and then select Pay Yourself Back. With this option, you can redeem your points to cover recent purchases made on your Chase credit cards. But how much are your Chase points valued here? Let's look at an example. If a transaction cost $1.50, you would divide that by 150 points, which still equals 1 cent per point. This method values your points the same as regular cash redemptions. However, during certain periods, Chase offers elevated value for specific categories. Right now, they're offering 25% more value on charitable donations, meaning your points are now worth 1.25 cents per point on select eligible charitable transactions. This is a great way to get extra value, but keep in mind that Chase doesn't update these categories often. As a matter of fact, I would say they pretty much never update it. For this reason, converting your points, your Chase points, to cash via the first method might be the best choice for most people. Another way to use your Chase points is by redeeming them for gift cards. This option is available under Shopping and Experiences on the Rewards portal home screen. Here, you'll find a wide range of gift card options from popular retailers. However, the value you receive is the same as before, 1 cent per point. This could be a good option if you're planning to gift someone a gift card, but if it's just for personal use, you might as well convert your Chase points to cash instead, as it offers the same value but more flexibility. With that said, gift cards occasionally go on sale, like the ones highlighted here. For example, some are available at a 10% discount, which means your points are worth 1.1 cents per point instead of the standard 1 cent per point. It's not a huge difference, but if you were already planning to gift someone a card, this could work in your favor. Another way to use your Chase points is to purchase Apple products. Through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, you could actually buy any Apple product that's usually available in a regular Apple store. The prices are exactly the same whether you buy directly from Apple or through Chase using points. However, once again, your points are valued at 1 cent per point. Before moving on to the more rewarding travel redemption options, I want to quickly cover 3 other ways to use your Chase points as cash. 2 of these methods offer the standard 1 cent per point value, while the third is the worst way to use your points and should be avoided. The first 2 options are Chase Dining and Chase Experiences, which allow you to use points at affiliated restaurants or businesses. While these provide the same 1 cent per point value, they don't offer any real advantage over simply redeeming points for cash or a statement credit. The third option, which I strongly recommend avoiding, is using Chase points to pay at checkout through Amazon or PayPal. By enrolling and linking your Chase account to Amazon or PayPal, you can redeem points for purchases. However, this method only gives you a value of 0.8 cents per point, making it significantly less rewarding than the other methods we've already discussed. Of all the redemption methods covered so far, I believe the direct deposit cashback method is the best. It's straightforward and provides the full 1 cent per point value without any limitations. But now we're going to cover the more rewarding redemption options for your Chase points. Before we dive into the redemption options, it's important to note that you must must have an eligible Chase credit card to take full advantage of the options that I will be discussing. Specifically, you'll need either the Chase Sapphire Preferred with a $95 annual fee, the Chase Sapphire Reserve with a $550 annual fee, or the Chase Ink Business Preferred, also with a $95 annual fee. If you're interested, you can learn more and apply for any of those credit cards using the affiliate links down below to support my channel. The first travel redemption method for your Chase points is booking travel directly through the Chase Travel portal. You can access this by clicking Travel and then Book Travel at the top of the rewards portal, or by going directly to Chase Travel portal. Once there, you'll find options to book flights, hotels, activities, car rentals, cruises, and tours. If you don't have one of the 3 eligible Chase cards that I mentioned, the Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, or Ink Business Preferred, your points will only be worth 1 cent per point when booking through the Chase Travel portal. However, owning one of these cards unlocks elevated redemption values. The Sapphire Preferred and Ink Business Preferred give you 1.25 cents per point, while the Sapphire Reserve provides 1.5 cents per point. Let me break down how this works. For example, let's book a stay at the Omni Berkshire Place in New York City. After selecting dates and a deluxe 1-king bedroom, you'll see the price in both cash and points. Calculating the points redemption, it comes out to 1.25 cents per point. This applies across the board, whether you're booking a standard room or a $6,000 Rockefeller suite for 480,000 points. It's still going to be 1.25 cents per point. The same logic applies to flights. A round-trip economy flight on JetBlue from Los Angeles to New York City might cost $317 or 25,328 points, equaling 1.25 cents per point. Even a Delta One first-class ticket priced at $2,407 or 192,519 Chase points yields the same value. As you can see, the elevated value applies to all bookings, regardless of whether you choose economy or first class, a standard room, or a luxury suite. If you have one of these eligible Chase cards, you'll always receive at least 1.25 cents per point or 1.5 cents if you have the Sapphire Reserve. Plus, you can combine points from your other Chase cards onto the one that unlocks this high redemption value, allowing you to maximize every point that you've earned. This redemption method is straightforward as well and hassle-free, making it an excellent way to get more value from your Chase points compared to the cashback method. However, there's another redemption option that offers even greater value, though it does require much more effort and planning. Let's explore that one next. The most valuable way to redeem your Chase points is by transferring them to a travel partner. Chase has a list of hotel and airline partners where you could transfer your points at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 Chase point equals 1 hotel point or 1 airline mile. To use this method, first enroll by linking your loyalty program number to your Chase account. Once connected, you can transfer your points to the partner program. However, one important thing to keep in mind is that this process is irreversible. Once you transfer your points to a travel partner, you can't move them back to your Chase account. Because of this, I highly recommend identifying the exact hotel stay or the exact flight that you want to book, confirming its availability, and then transferring your points. Keeping your Chase points flexible until the last moment is critical because Chase points are far more versatile than any single airline or hotel program. Let me show you how this method can deliver exceptional value. For hotels, let's use Hyatt as an example. A popular choice because of its high redemption values. First, create a Hyatt account so you can see prices in both cash and in points. A 6-night stay at the Grand Hyatt Tokyo costs $4,287.76 or 180,000 points. That translates to a redemption value of 2.38 cents per point, nearly double the 1.25 cents per point you'd get from booking through the Chase Travel portal. Once you've confirmed availability, you would transfer 180,000 Chase points to your Hyatt account and complete the booking directly on Hyatt's website. Now, let's look at a flight example with United Airlines. A round-trip economy flight between Los Angeles and New York City costs $432 in cash. If you book using United Miles, the cost is 30,000 points plus $11 in taxes and fees. To calculate the redemption value, subtract the taxes and fees from the cash price, so $432 $22 minus $11, and then divide that by the points required, which is 30,000. This gives you a value of 1.4 cents per point. While this is better than 1.25 cents per point value from the Chase travel portal, it's slightly less than the 1.5 cents per point you'd get if you booked through the portal with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. However, if we look at a different flight in business class, the value actually improves. A business class ticket costing $2,645 in cash requires 160,000 Chase points, plus $11 in taxes and fees, giving a redemption value of 1.65 cents per point. This is higher than the portal value, even with the Sapphire Reserve. When it comes to flight redemptions by transferring points, you'll generally find significantly higher values for business class or first class flights compared to economy. This is because premium cabin tickets tend to have much higher cash prices relative to their points cost, resulting in a better cents per point value. However, you'll need to make a trade-off. Use more Chase points for a business class flight with a higher redemption value, or use fewer Chase points for an economy seat with a lower value per point. In the examples I showed, the business class flight required 180,000 Chase points, while the economy flight required just 30,000 Chase points. This means you could book 6 economy round-trip flights for the same number of Chase points it would cost for one business class round-trip flight on the same route. It ultimately comes down to your priorities, whether you value quantity or premium travel experiences. While transferring points to travel partners can provide the highest value, there are some caveats. This method requires the most effort, by far, as you'll need to find flights or hotel stays available for points on the partner's website and calculate the redemption value to determine if it's even worth it. This process in itself can take hours, and flexibility with travel dates is often necessary, which isn't always possible. Additionally, the value of your points can vary widely depending on the booking, from as low as 1.4 cents per point to as high as over 8 cents per point in rare cases. Despite the extra effort, transferring Chase points to travel partners can be incredibly rewarding. However, for those who prefer simplicity, using the Chase travel portal or cashback methods might be more appealing. Ultimately, the power of Chase points lies in their flexibility, giving you the choice to pick the option that works best for your needs. To help you decide which Chase card is best for you, watch this video here where I rank every single Chase card available. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoots.